Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Master English World. Today, we are going to learn a very important grammar topic, kinds of pronouns. Please don't skip the video. Watch till the end to understand clearly. So, let's begin. What is a pronoun? Friends, first listen carefully. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Let me explain with an example. Vivek is absent because Vivek is ill. This sentence does not sound good because the noun Vivek is repeated. Vivek is absent because he is ill. Now the sentence sounds correct. Here, the word he replaces the noun Vivek, so he is a pronoun. Another example. Sonam won the prize because Sonam worked hard. Here also, the sentence sounds wrong. Sonam won the prize because she worked hard. He and she are pronouns. Kinds of pronouns. Friends, pronouns are of 7 types. Personal pronouns, reflexive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, relative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, possessive pronouns, emphatic pronouns. Now let us learn them one by one very clearly. Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are used for 3 persons. First person, the person speaking. I, me, my, mine, we, our, us. Examples: I can play basketball. We can play basketball. Second person, the person spoken to. You, your, yours. Example: you can play basketball. Third person, the person about. He, she, it, they, him, her, them. Examples: he can play basketball. She can play basketball. They can play basketball. These are called personal pronouns. Reflexive pronouns. Friends, when the doer and receiver of the action are the same, we use reflexive pronouns. They are formed by adding self or selves. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, themselves. Examples: I completed my work myself. He hurt himself. We did the work ourselves. Demonstrative pronouns. These pronouns point out things. This, that, these, those. Examples: this is my book. That was an excuse. These are my pens. These are called demonstrative pronouns. Relative pronouns. Friends, relative pronouns join 2 sentences and refer back to a noun. Who, whom, which, that. Examples: here is the pen that you lent me. The boy who fell down is my brother. These are called relative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns. These pronouns are used to ask questions. Who, which, what, whose. Examples: who is your brother? Which book is yours? What do you want? Possessive pronouns. These pronouns show ownership or possession. Mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs. Examples: this book is mine. That car is theirs. They show possession, so they are called possessive pronouns. Emphatic pronouns. Friends, emphatic pronouns are used to give stress or emphasis. They look like reflexive pronouns, but they are used for emphasis. Examples: I myself completed the project. She herself told the truth. They themselves are responsible. Easy trick to identify pronouns. So, dear friends, whenever you see a sentence, first circle the pronoun. Then ask yourself, is it showing possession? Is it asking a question? Is it pointing to something? Is it giving emphasis? Then you can easily find the type of pronoun. So friends, today we learned what is a pronoun, kinds of pronouns, examples for each type. If you understood the lesson, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Master English World and share this video with your friends. Keep learning, keep practicing. See you in the next class. See you.